Hey everyone, Joe here. Well, today I thought I would do a video on some new lighting gear I got in. I got some LED light panels, and as you notice, lighting quality isn't that great in here. I've been working on it, but these should help a little bit. So anyway, before we get started, check out this awesome product from Ashampoo. Ashampoo Win Optimizer 18 is a system optimization suite that takes care of the weak spots in every Windows machine. The program boosts performance, fixes system errors, and reduces file clutter. Don't miss my demo and review of Win Optimizer 18, plus learn more and download your free trial by clicking the links in the description below. Okay, welcome back everybody. So yeah, I ordered me some light strips, both because I wasn't really happy with the lighting in here. As you notice, everything's normally a little brighter in the background than it normally is, at least before we did the office renovations. And I've been using some, umbrellas. Let me just turn the camera around and show you. As you can see, yeah, umbrellas. I think you can probably see those. Yeah, I've been using these, and unfortunately, they reflect most of the light back towards that wall. Then it comes back around as a lot of fill light. And I don't like the contrast I'm getting between me and the background, because I want the background a little bit darker. So to get that, I went and ordered some LED panels. So yeah, got some LED panels in, got a box cutter, got a box. Let me adjust the camera and let's open these up. Okay, here we go. Take the lighting and the angle and everything, make sure it's as wide as possible. Nope, here we go. There we go. Let's open this up. Try not to cut anything in the box. I don't want to damage anything that comes in. Okay. Now I got these from a local seller here in the Philippines. However, the same exact ones are sold on Amazon. So I will put a link down in the description below. This box. A storage bag. Not too bad. Always need more storage bags. And what I assume is probably the tripods here. Now these are some budget lights you get for $100. Of course, these come with more stands, so more stands is always good. You never know when you might actually step on one and break. So yeah, I got more stands. Yeah, come with 2 stands, 2 lights. And these lights are actually fairly simple. That's all there is in the box. Let me set that on the floor. And I presume that the LEDs are in here. Put this out of the way. Don't need it no more. Don't want to cut myself, because that would look stupid on camera. Now these are not very big. And come on, I do believe there is a power bank in the bottom of this box. And here it is. Yeah, these are so cheap because they are very basic. And I mean very basic means they are a panel with a frosted lens and just LEDs on there. The housing, hey, that is aluminum, not bad. Now the handle and stuff is plastic, but really, unless you're a fool and want to over tighten these for video lighting, I don't think the weight is going to be an issue. Yeah, it's plasticky, but as long as you're not trying to run a gun going down the, doing some weird photography we think you should run with these, which not sure how you would do that, being that it requires power, not battery. These should be fine. Should last quite a long time. Like I said, this is very simple. There's no electronics in these other than these surface mounted LEDs. And they are mounted onto another piece of aluminum in there for keep it added cool. If you ever run into any issues, it's more than likely going to be with the power bank. Get this out of the bag here. We've got an on and off switch and a power gain. This is all it is, and a power bank. What is the ampage on this? 24 volts, 36 watts. So that's 24 volts, it'd be 1.5 amps. Yeah, which is about right. Kind of high for 24 volts though. Normally they're just like 12 volts. But anyway, yeah, not too bad. The other one is in the box over here. Let me open up this box, get it out. Another one identical. Now, like I mentioned, you can get these for about $100. So, honestly, I think for the price, it's gonna be really hard to beat this. Especially get a bag, get stands. So, anyway, let me get the power bank out of this one, and we'll plug up, test them. Okay, everybody. Well, I have everything set up here. Now, first of all, it is mounted. The plug-in goes to the back here. So it's by the way. One thing I did notice is it is a little wobbly. The handle rigidity could be improved. Overall, if somebody's just setting this up behind their computer for streaming or whatever, I don't think this is going to be an issue. And of course, like I said, as long as you don't abuse it or anything, it should be perfectly fine. Now, for its low cost and stuff, you don't get nothing with this. You don't get no batteries or anything, ability to put batteries on it. Don't get any abilities to charge batteries, obviously, because there's no batteries. So this is a simple, basic LED panel. Basically, it's a white strip, pretty much like the LEDs I got under my shelves and stuff, but in this form factor, and it comes with a power bank with a dimmer switch. And we cut it on here, slowly start adjusting it. It starts kicking in, and you can adjust it quite brighter than I would want to use these. So yeah, it does get quite bright and should work quite well. So yeah, that's why they're so cheap. And how are they going to perform in the long term? Well, that's going to have to come in my review. But as far as my unboxing and first impressions of it, for the price, for $100, you really can't go wrong. Because even if you don't end up liking them in the long run, or you can always use them for something else. And if something does fail, maybe like an LED goes out, it's not going to kill the entire unit. It'll just be the one LED itself. And if anything does go wrong, it's probably be the dimmer here or something other. Which honestly, this could be easily replaced with another one online. So I think it'll be pretty okay. I think I'm going to try them out. And for the long-term use of them and everything, I can't really tell. I just now got it out of the box. But it does seem like it'd be pretty decent for long-term use. So do look for review here in a couple of weeks. I'll probably give it about at least, since these will be out, there's not no hot product, I'll probably use these probably 3 months if I do a review on them. But if you want to see how they actually perform, I'm going to start looking at my videos, because I'm going to replace those umbrella LED lights I got sitting over there and with these, and see how they look. So anyway, that's it for this video one. So I'll do a little quick unboxing, first impressions of these generic Chinese LED light strips. Like I said, they're sold on a bunch of different names. They're all the same thing, probably the same company making them. But overall first impressions, well, pretty decent for the price. So anyway, that's it for this video one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up is always highly appreciated. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please take the time to subscribe. Subscribing is free, it's for you, let you know when I release more videos. Until next time, everyone, thank you for watching.